Hey and welcome to this new video in tutorial of mastering Git and GitHub. So in this video we will learn how to go back to some first commit we did. So to show all the commit we will execute this command git log one line, or we can just use git log, but we want some to decorate the output, so we use the whole command. We hit enter and we see that now we are in here, hit master in commit after stash. Now how about we want to change and to go back to some previous commit. Then we have two types, soft or hard. Let's try the soft one. For example, we will say git reset, and after that the ID. For example, let's go to this new file. We will copy the ID and call it past, and after that dash soft. We hit enter. Now let's re-execute first command. We see that now we are in the new file commit, but we notice that every that, for example, the readme tree of the database weren't in that commit, or weren't in the new file commit, but we still found them in here. That's a soft commit. It's like the logical commit. We don't really go back to the previous version of commit. We just seen, for example, the code. For example, if we come here in this new file, in the readme one, there is just the hello world, and the readme 2 there's also just that code. But what now if we want to go back, but in the hard way, not in the soft way? So let's go to the second commit. Yeah, so git reset dash hard, and we will copy the second commit, copy and paste. It's even we write the ID before the hard dash hard or after it, it's no problem. So now if we hit enter, it will be back, and as we see, there is no, this file, it don't exist anymore. And also the readme tree also, we found it deleted, they are not existing anymore. That's because we reset, but in the hard way. So now our project, it's the same as in the our second commit. Also here there is no the title, second title, and here with the hello world, here we didn't found anything. So now let's go back to commit after merge, which is our I think our last commit. So copy it, go back, delete it, and pass, hit enter, and everything will go back as normal. We found now that the readme tree file has come back, dot git ignored has come back again. Here is the text, has add the text, and everything is work as it used to be in that commit. So now we see how to manipulate and go back, even with soft or in a hard way, to our previous commit. So for example, if in that commit some code didn't work well, but in this previous commit, for example in commit deletion, it worked perfectly, we can go back to this commit, copy it, and then go back to the commit after merge and paste it there. So that's all for this video. See you soon.